Okay, hi. We're going to be doing some springtime makeup. I already did my eyebrows and my primer and stuff off camera. I have normal eyebrows on today because I feel like it'd be too much if I did my bright red eyebrows with this springtime makeup. So yeah, we're going to try a voiceover today and see how that goes. Let me know how you like it in the comments, and let's get started. Alright, first I will be using the Fade into Hue palette by ColourPop. The first shade that I'm going to use is Lovecraft. This is a light pink shade. I like to build up my color before I go in with the brighter colors just because it's easier, just in case you mess up. But I'm also using my blush. Actually, this is ColourPop's Flower Tender from the Animal Crossing collection. I just wanted it to be more peachy and a little more sparkly. Then I'll be going back into the palette using the shade Paradise and only using this in the innermost part of my crease, and then I'll be blending it up. I don't know why I can't blend it up in this video, but I just put it in. But all these shades are more peachy pink shades. That's what we're trying to go for the springtime look. Now for my inner corner, I'm using the e.l.f. Shadow Stick in Sweet Cream. This is from the Cookies and Dream collection. I'll also be using the white from the eyeshadow palette. I like to use a matte white color on the inside, or in my inner corner I should say, because later on I'll be going in with my highlighter shade and putting the sparkly stuff on top, so it makes it look brighter and you look more awake. I'm using the neon yellow loose shadow from Makeup and Murder along with the mixing fluid to make an eyeliner. I cannot do eyeliner on camera to save my life, so I just lined my top line, and then when I come back I'll have actual eyeliner on. I also, for the lower lash line, used the two pink shades. I started with the light one first, and then I did the dark one and blended everything out. Okay, now for the waterline, I'm using this pink shade from ColourPop in Good Reef. You can also use a yellow to match the wing eyeliner, but I just wanted more pink in my life. And I put on some lashes. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies, and my mascara is Wet n Wild in Max Volume. And while you're here, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's another video in the corner for you. And look at my Instagram. Bye-bye.